Hi everyone, today we are going to learn compare the value of two numbers. Before we proceed to the lesson, let's we see some common words we will use to compare the numbers. First one is more than or larger than, bermaksud lebih besar. Less than or smaller than bermaksud lebih kecil. There are two numbers here, 78 and 52. Which one is larger, 78 or 52? 78. Okay, let's we see how did 78 is larger than 52. First, we should separate the digits according to the place value, ones and tens, and fill up here. Here is 7 tens, 8 ones, 5 tens, 2 ones. Compare the larger place value here is tens from the left, 7, 5. Compare the tens digit. 70 is more than 50. Am I right? Here is 70. Here is 50. So, the answer will be 78 is more than 52. Let's we see another example here. Here are two numbers 189, 537. We should compare this number. Whether 189 is smaller than 537 or larger. Let's we see. So first, separate the digits according to the place value 189, 537. From the left, the larger place value is hundreds, 1 and 5. Which one is larger? Of course, 100 is smaller. 100 is less than 500. The answer will be 189 is less than 537. Lebih kecil daripada 537. Okay, here is another example. 8,941. Here is 900. If we compare these two numbers, of course, here is 1000. So, this one is larger than this one. So, we will separate the digit according to the place value. Compare here. There is no thousands here. That means this one is larger than this one. Compare the 1000 digit. 8,941 is more than 900. So we can use more than or larger than. Another example, 890,941. Here is 900,902. Which one is larger here? This one, right? So, of course, this one is smaller or less than. We separate the digits according to the place value. And then from the left, this one is 100,000. 8 is smaller. 8 is less than 9. So 800,000 is less than 900,000. Answer will be 890,941 is less than 900,902. 2. Fill in the blanks with more than or less than. Here, there are two numbers here. First, count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one also 6 digit. So, we should compare from the left. Here is 3, 3, same, equals. Here is 5, here is 4. So, this one is more than. Fill in the blanks with more than or less than. First, we should count the digit here. Here is 6 digit, here is 6 digit. So, as usual, compare from the larger place value. 4, 4, 0, 0, 5, 5, 1. Here is 0. So, this one is more than this one. So 405,109 is more than 405,099. Okay. 690,178 is more than or less than. Then 690,187. So both have 6 digit. So compare from the 100,000. 6, 6, 9, 9, 0, 0, 1, 1. 7. Here is 8. So 7 is less than 8. That's all from me. Thank you.